Okay, today I'll make Margaret cookies. So grams of salt, 100 grams of butter. We need to cook 4 eggs, but we only use the egg yolk. That's 100 grams of flavor. That's 70 grams of cornstarch, 50 grams of sugar. Filter the egg yolk with a mesh screen. Yeah? Yeah? Okay, don't touch. Oh, okay. Next, we need to melt the butter. They become soft, then it's fine. You don't need to melt or like water style. Then we can add the sugar in and the salt. We mixed. Just stir it until no big particles. Okay. You can see the color looks nibby white. Then we can add the egg inside. Then mix. After mix like this, we can add the cornstarch inside. So that's the corns. After we put the cornstarch, your mix will make sure it's no like powders. Good job. Okay. Now we can add the flavor inside. Come on, hold. Wow. By that step, you can see the powder is already very dry. You don't need, actually you can use your hands to melt now. So when you push like this, that means perfect. If it's too soft, must be your butter is over melted. So you can put it back in fridge for a few minutes. When it get harder, then you can do it again. 160 degree, 20 minutes. Show me your face, baby. That's your help today, huh? Take 10 to 12 grams of them for each one. Round like a ball. You can put your baking paper under it, but I don't have at home, so then push. Keep some distance with each other, because later they will grow bigger. 160 degree and 20 minutes. Be careful your cookies, okay? Very hot. Be careful, be careful. Oh, yeah, that's your cookie.
Mom.
Oh, yeah.
Mom.
Oh, your cookie. Ruined. Put on the top of this. So, let's see.